Hello guys, welcome back to ReviveX, the home of trading strategy. I'm happy to bring in a video, especially for those who are static indices traders. I used to say that one of the easiest things to trade is volatility indices, most especially the recent step index 200 and 500. These ones make quicker money because they always keep to a particular trend for at least a certain period of time. And that is why I am rolling out these custom made indicators, these particular index. You can use it on any volatility indices, but I particularly back tested it on step index 500, step index 200 for maximum accuracy. It has more than 80% accuracy. And we're going to move to the chart and see how to enter and how to exit, when to enter and when to stay out. Well, as you can see clearly my screen, right, we have 200 moving average. We are going for a sell. That means price trending below, price trending below the 200. Then we consider sales. That is not just it. There are other factors to look at. So we wait for the candle to break this 200 moving average. And we see that from this point we have this here. This is this. Now our candlestick changes from green, red. We would have entered. Yes, it rained a little, came all the way here. These 200 moving average curve resistance. Oh, you would have put your plus up above here. Watch this market fall. We can see that was a good trade all the way from here down here. Now, another thing you will keep in mind, see the movement. This once it turns red and it's going below the zero line, this is how it's there. Once it's going below the zero line, we should consider going short. Consider selling. Let's look at more, but let's see how that went. So this went so a good fat movement that went all the way down. Easy profits, easy profits. Let's see something else. More a bit down here. Okay, so now this provided us with another entry. So at this point, watch close what we have here. Watch close here. This point, see what the market did. It was green, and at this point, turned green to red. The breaking this, we have this configuration right here, and the candlestick changed to red. In this instance, yes, even though it was far off, others give us entry somewhere here. Entered, considered keeping your way above here, and look at that. You wrote it. When this turns to green and this starts to change to green, you exit. You take your profit and you leave. Take your profit, and it's as simple as that. But then I wouldn't advise that you take a buy here because we are currently under. So This is a very nice. Another thing that you can do is check the higher time frame and see what the higher time is doing. The higher time frame is on the side and come back to this lower time frame and it's on only what you see the higher time. That is how trade this strategy. I am telling you, keep it to tap index 200 and 500. Now, particularly, I'm testing this on 200 right now. That is what you must trade. That is what you must trade. Let's see another entry. Nice. Now, at this point, right here, you saw, you were watching, so that this had turned to green, and from the zero level is above now. Our candlesticks are green. We have our green dot right here. Our green dot right here. The candlesticks are green, and it broke the 200 moving. You could have entered at that point. Let you start just somewhere below here. So even if it goes against you, you lose very little and wait for another opportunity. And you would have rode all the way up here till this point it started. But for your own consumption, you can choose to add supply and demand, which I also have here, but I have chosen not to add it. Don't need it. I don't need it. I believe that the 200 moving average me to get on what I want. So this was another profit hit. Now you would have waited. You see, it gave you another entry. Good. At this point, it hit our support line, which is the 200 moving average, and then showed us this green dot right here. If you were aggressive, you would have entered, but no, you have waited for this. At this point, it started turning green. You have waited, and then at this part, you have taken your entry, your stop somewhere around here, and let's see what that is. Let's see what that. Wow, wow, that is massive, massive. That is massive. Look at that. Look at that all the way to the point, and it's still running, still running. That. So this is quite simple. It happens right before your eye. You can train your eyes to see the same thing. You maintain the same thing that I said right now in the video. Then synthetic indices is the channel get to up and the channel. You can also do well to join the group channel down in this video for free weekly gold signals. We trade gold with gold. Then we also trade other currency as well, but you can join free trading signals every. See you guys.